The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue as a special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, aviation and artillery of the Western Military District have hit units of the 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade near Berostovoye of Kharkov region. More than 35 Ukrainian servicemen, one armored fighting vehicle and 2 motor vehicles have been destroyed. In addition, one Ukrainian artillery ammunition warehouse has been destroyed near Olshana of Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, artillery fire from the Central Military District has hit units of the 111th Territorial Defense Brigade near Torskoye and Terny of Donetsk People's Republic. More than 20 Ukrainian servicemen, one infantry fighting vehicle, one D-20 howitzer, and one US-manufactured AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar station have been destroyed. In the Donetsk direction, volunteers of assault detachments, supported by operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Southern Military District have liberated Dvorechye of Donetsk People's Republic. The Ukrainian armed forces suffered up to 50 servicemen killed and wounded, 2 armored combat vehicles, 3 pickup trucks and 2 D-20 and D-30 howitzers. In addition, one warehouse of the Ukrainian artillery ammunition has been destroyed near Vodinoye of Donetsk People's Republic, and one US-manufactured AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar station has been destroyed near Malinovka. In the Zaporozhye direction, as a result of the offensive actions, units of the Eastern Military District have taken more advantageous lines and positions. More than 30 fighters, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, 1 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer and 1 D-20 howitzer have been destroyed during the day. Operational and tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the groups of troops of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized the command post of the 36th Separate Rifle Battalion of Territorial Defense near Kotlerovka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 67 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 95 areas. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one Su-24 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Vladimirovka of Donetsk People's Republic. One Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down by anti-aircraft defense forces near Lozovaya of Kharkov region. Also, during the day, 14 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Kovalyovka, Kremenная, Naugolnaya, Novovodinoye, Loshanka, Nezhurino, Zmeyovka, Chervona Popovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Novokazankovatoye of Zaporozhye region, as well as Blagodatnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 3 HIMARS and Uragan multiple launch rockets and 1 HARM anti-radar missile have been intercepted near Vasilovka and Grozovoye of Zaporozhye region. In total, 375 airplanes and 203 helicopters, 2,922 unmanned aerial vehicles, 401 air defense missile systems, 7,589 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 985 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,883 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,128 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.